Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 96, Statistics, Section A Easy. Let's start. Which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? Mean, median, mode and standard deviation. Means which does not prove a central tendency. Now what is central tendency? Here, central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within the set of data. Means what? Means the data which is given points out towards one number only anywhere. So that's the meaning of central tendency. See what is mean? Mean means add all these and divide by number of total numbers. So that is 7 over here, and adding it gives 71. So 71 upon 7 gives 10.14. Now what does that mean? All this data is pointing towards one number, that is called as mean. Means what? It should point towards one number. Similarly median, arrange them in serially and then the middle number. Again we are getting one number only. Mode, which has a maximum number of frequency. So again maximum frequency means 10. So it should point out towards one number only. That's the meaning of central tendency. So mean is a set of observations obtained by dividing the sum of values of all observations by total number of observations. Mode is value of observation which has maximum frequency. And median is after arranging the data in ascending or descending order of magnitude, the value of middlemost observation is called a median. So all point out towards single number. But what is standard deviation? It is a measure of dispersion. It is an action or process of distributing things over a wider area. Means what? It is not moving towards one number. It is moving towards wider area, more numbers. So standard deviation is not a measure of central tendency. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.